Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are both safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you two simple but elegant accent pillow DIYs using items that were mostly from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with these two Dollar Tree glitter iron-on transfers and this satin pillowcase. So the first thing I did was iron my pillowcase, and then I used hot glue to seal the opening. I then folded my pillowcase in half, and then I hot glued 2 of the 3 remaining sides. I then folded and cut my iron-on transfer in half, and then I used the polyester heat setting to iron on my transfer. Once my transfer had completely cooled, I then pulled away the protective film. I replace my bed pillows every spring, so instead of buying filling, I'll be repurposing the inside of my old pillows for this project. Once my pillow was filled, I used hot glue to seal the remaining side. Once my hot glue was completely dry, I then shaped my pillow. Because my iron-on transfers did not appear seamless, I've decided to also add an additional 5x5" piece on top. Here I'm adding leftover scraps of rhinestone sheets that I use for my online store, but you can use Dollar Tree diamond wrap here instead. For my next pillow, I'm using Dollar Tree adhesive pearl wrap and 2 more Dollar Tree pillowcases. I'm again using hot glue to seal my opening, but I'm folding this pillowcase slightly different. I lost the footage of myself hot gluing the back of this pillowcase, but I did make this pillowcase also in black, so here's what that step looked like. I've again stuffed my pillow and I'm sealing up the remaining side. Next, I cut a piece of fabric from a second pillowcase and I'll tie this piece of fabric to the center of my pillow. Once I finish shaping my pillow, I then cut away the excess. I then cut out a second piece of fabric, but this time I'm going to fold this piece onto itself and make a really nice piece for the center of my pillow. To add a bit of sparkle, I'm adding 3 rows of this Dollar Tree self-adhesive silver pearl wrap. With the pearl wrap, this pillow reminded me of a butterfly, and I think it's perfect for spring. I absolutely love how both pillows turned out, but what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.